A man named Baba Ashke lived in a village known as Kuru. He was a farmer and went about his business. One day, a dead body was found in a ditch behind his house. Baba Ashke was worried. Before he knew it, the news spread all around the village. The village chief invited Baba Ashke and a few others, threatened and harassed them, demanding to know the truth. He subsequently invited the police. Upon the arrival of the police, the chief told the police that Baba Ashke had personally confessed to him that he was responsible for the death of the person. The police took Baba Ashke to the police station. Upon arrival at the police station, they requested that Baba Ashke should write a statement. Baba Ashke is only literate in Yoruba language. Hence, the police had to provide someone who interpreted his confession into English and wrote it down for him. He was then arraigned in court. This incident occurred in the 1960s, so not much evidence could be presented by the police. There was no forensic, DNA, or any autopsy could not be presented. It was not in vogue at that time. So upon the basis of his confessional statement alone, the lower court found him guilty of the crime. Baba Ashke was sentenced to prison. He spent several years languishing in jail until one day the Supreme Court looked into the matter and was of the opinion that for a crime such as murder, the confessional statement alone was not sufficient. This had to be proved beyond reasonable doubt. They then cancelled the judgment of the lower court and set Baba Ashke free. If for any reason you are arrested or invited by the police, taken to the police station and asked to write a confessional statement, here are 5 facts that you should have in mind when writing a confessional statement to the police. Number 1, take it as a very serious request, as if your entire life depends on it, because it's a very serious matter. Whatever you write can become a very strong evidence that will be used against you in courts. Number 2, know that whatever you write cannot be changed, it's permanent, cannot be altered. So if you change your mind, there's nothing that can be done about it. Number 3, your confessional statements written to the police forms the backbone or the foundation upon which your defense will stand. So once you have made a statement of you have agreed to a crime, or you have presented the matter a certain way, there's almost nothing that your lawyer can do. So it is the backbone upon which your defense will stand and the foundation upon which your lawyer will ride. Number 4, you have a right to request for the services of a lawyer. Politely insist and request for the services of a lawyer so that the lawyer can guide you in writing your confessional statements. Number 5, you have a right to be silent and do nothing until the lawyer comes. If you do not have a personal lawyer whom you can call, you can always appeal to the police to help you. You usually find lawyers come around to assist their clients. You can meet one of them by the side and, have a conversation, engage him in the services to assist you on the spot. It is your fundamental right. You cannot be forced, you cannot be coerced, you cannot be intimidated into writing a statement, because whatever you write, whatever you say, can and will be used against you, and it's a very strong evidence that cannot be altered after that time.